How Common Core implementation is happening in Ohio school districts. Courtesy of Business Smart's Ohio Superintendent's Common Core Resource Guide.
The Common Core state standards are expectations of what Ohio students should know and be able to accomplish in English and math as they progress through grades K through 12. Ohio is one of 45 states and the District of Columbia that have currently embraced Common Core implementation. The CCSS will form the basis of a new statewide curriculum at the start of the 2014-15 school year. Ohio schools have been encouraged to integrate the Common Core into lesson plans even sooner. The school districts in Cleveland and Reynoldsburg are already teaching in accordance with the new standards, and even more are slowly absorbing CCSS into individual subjects. Adopting the CCSS is a major change in the Ohio educational direction. To ease the transition from the old standards to the new, there are a number of technology resources dedicated to successful Common Core implementation. One of these resources is Share My Lesson. Share My Lesson is a virtual meeting place where educators come together to collaborate with, inspire, and encourage each other. This free platform offers access to high-quality teaching tools and hosts a thriving online community where educators can share ideas and insights on the Common Core. Some of its features are teaching resources aligned to the CCSS in English, language arts, math, and literacy in all subjects, digital care packages for teachers with lesson plans, and assessment advice for English, language arts, and math. Another resource is Achieve the Core. Achieve the Core is a free educator resource aimed at helping teachers everywhere implement the Common Core quickly and effectively. It contains a variety of CCSS-oriented modules that can be used, shared, and modified. Its features are Why Common Core, an hour-long module dedicated to explaining why CCSS contribute toward the improvement of the education system. Instructional Leadership and the Common Core, a module designed to guide teachers in the process of understanding and implementing the CCSS. Introduction to English Language Arts, Literary Shifts, a module that details the important shifts required by the CCSS for ELA literacy. Introduction to Literacy Shifts in Content Area, a 1 to 4 hour module that clarifies the CCSS for literacy content shifts in science, technical subjects, and history, social studies. Our last resource is BoardWorks. BoardWorks educational software supports the teaching of English, math, science, and other subjects at K through 12 levels using interactive whiteboards and projectors. Its Common Core resources for English language arts and math are comprehensive and easy to implement. Its features are each resource is mapped to an individual state standard as well as the CCSS to simplify the transition between the two. High visibility icons point out how each slide correlates to each standard. Contains interactive activities to facilitate hands-on learning. The bottom line is, Common Core implementation represents an enormous change for Ohio school districts, but it doesn't have to be a difficult one. The CCSS developers and their supporters have created technology-based resources that can help states and school districts understand and successfully introduce the advancements that Common Core represents. Has your school district taken steps toward Common Core implementation yet? If so, what websites and software did you find useful in working towards your transition? Let us know your thoughts in the comments box below.
And to follow through on the tips introduced in this short article, be sure to download your free copy of the Ohio Superintendent's Common Core Resource Guide. You can download a copy of this guide while it's still available at ohiocommoncoretech.com. Thanks so much for stopping by and tuning in today to learn all about how Common Core implementation is happening in Ohio school districts.